Salut à tous! Hi everyone! Welcome to our French class on EFM, Easy French with Marcel. Alright, so today we're going to learn the negative form in French. So in French we have the simple negative form and we have the negative form with adverbs or specific words in the sentence. So the simple negative form is the use of do not, does not, are not, is not in English. So in French we use ne plus the verb plus pas, or an apostrophe plus the verb plus pas. Alright, so we use the first one, ne plus the verb plus pas, with all the verbs starting with consonants. And we use an apostrophe plus the verb plus pas with all the verbs starting with vowels in French. Alright, now let's go with the second one, the negative form with adverbs or specific words is formed with the opposite of the following adverbs in French. Alright, so we have toujours, opposite jamais, the negative form ne plus the verb and jamais. We have encore, opposite plus, the negative form ne plus the verb and plus. We have quelqu'un, opposite personne, the negative form ne plus the verb and personne. We have quelque chose, opposite rien, negative form ne plus the verb and rien. We have quelque part, opposite nulle part, negative form ne plus the verb and nulle part. We have a. Alright, opposite ni and ni. So negative form ne plus the verb and ni space noun and ni again. Alright, now let's go with some example with the simple negative form in French. Je parle le chinois. Negative form je ne parle pas le chinois. Je regarde la télévision. Je ne regarde pas la télévision. J'écoute la musique. The negative form, je n'écoute pas la musique. J'aime le sport. The negative form, je n'aime pas le sport. Alright, now let's go with some examples with the negative form on adverbs or specific words in French. Je vais toujours au cinéma. Je ne vais jamais au cinéma. Je vais encore en France. Je ne vais plus en France. Je vais quelque part en ville. Je ne vais nulle part en ville. Je vais à Dubaï et à Paris. Je ne vais ni à Dubaï ni à Paris. Il y a quelqu'un dans la maison. Il n'y a personne dans la maison. Il y a quelque chose sur la table. Il n'y a rien sur la table. Alright, so here are some examples with the simple negative form and the negative form with adverbs or specific words in the sentence. Notice here that we can also use the simple negative form to make the negative form with adverbs or specific words in the sentence. Example, je vais toujours au cinéma. Je ne vais pas toujours au cinéma. Je vais encore en France. Je ne vais pas encore en France. Alright, so here I used the simple negative form ne plus the verb plus pas and the specific words toujours and encore in the sentence. Alright, so you notice here that we use the simple negative form with the adverbs or specific words to make the negative form. Alright? Also remember that the verb you are going to use to make the negative form is always placed next to the pronoun subject in the sentence. Alright? Also, when there are two verbs in the sentence, we always use the first one to make the negative form. Alright? Don't forget to use ne in front of verbs starting with consonant and an apostrophe in front of verbs starting with vowels. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected on EFM. Easy French with Marcel. À bientôt.